Friends, do you suffer from hard-boiled eggs? Do you also suffer from green yolks, gray yolks, and a tough shell that just doesn't want to come off? I'm going to show you a technique for hard-boiling eggs where your eggs are going to come out absolutely perfect. You always want the whites to be nice and tender. You want the yolks to stay yellow, and you sure as heck want that shell to come off nice and easy. So, without further ado, eggs. Step one, make sure they're really cold right out of the fridge. Don't take them out and put them at room temperature. Step two, boiling water, not cold water. And nope, we are not going to put, or I should say start, eggs in cold water. We're going to put them right from the fridge, right into boiling water. Ah, they're going to explode. No, they won't. Take a nice strainer or skimmer. So that way it's easier. And lower them right into the water. Let's see. How many should I do? 4. I'm going to do half a dozen. 6. Okay. Very important. Make sure your eggs are submerged, because if they're not going to cook correctly. Next step, bring the water back to a boil. Should take about, 30 seconds to a minute. Boil it for 1 minute. That's it, 1 minute. Then put a lid on it. Turn off the heat. And do nothing for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes on the bouton, and we're going to take the eggs out. They look the same. Put them right in to ice water immediately. So we go from the cold refrigerator with cold eggs into boiling hot water, and then immediately into freezing cold water. I don't know, it's like some sort of medieval torture method. But now, leave those in there for another 20 minutes. You can even go as much as 30 if you want. Don't touch them. So the eggs have been in there for about 20 minutes, literally just chilling. And let's see what happens. I normally do this under running water, but you can do this in a bowl of water as well. Just take them out and... Now, you don't want to do the rolling thing, because if you do the rolling thing, you're much more likely to break the entire egg in two, or at least break the white, and that's not good. So just tap, 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 all the way around the egg, as much as the surface as possible, because you want the water to get in there between the shell and the white to help you. Okay, so now at this point, I'm going to put it back in the water. And just to get it going, work with the egg. There's a membrane that's just underneath the shell, right? And wherever that starts to tear is where the shell will start to come off easier. So you got to work with it first. I don't know if you can see it there, but there it is. And then see, once it gets going, see that? Look at that. The whole thing comes off pretty much in one piece. You got a perfectly boiled egg. So now if you press this together, squeeze it, right? The egg white is firm, but it's not like hard. And it should be nice and tender when you bite into it. So now let's cut it open. And the moment of truth. There you have it. Perfectly cooked yolk, no green, no gray, no smell, and a perfectly tender white. That's the best way to boil eggs. Damn, that's good.